me this man is only 11? Yes, bro. I know, right? Like, really? He's good.
Boys, you talk about red, I'll talk about blue. Yeah. Don't go say what I said, you do what I do. Okay? Do. Boys think I'm sweet. I'm sounding like you. Woo. Like woo. Woo. I'm sounding like woo. Sounding like woo. I'm sounding like woo. Cause you don't play with me. You are not a friend of me. Just because you take down my enemy, you not a friend of me. Boy, we take down your yards. We take down your cars. Your boys in the yard. Dig a grave. Talking about he scarred. Don't get the part. Boy, you will get hit hard. You will get hit so hard. We'll hit you and make sure you lay down now. Freaking graveyard. We do not play like that. We will spray like that. Angel is made like that. Just like Naruto, I get with it. Don't play with me. Hit it. Boom, boom, boom. Shoot a Glock. Hear the noise. We leave your body right there. Ooh, that is not fair. He gonna die right there. Ooh, look at his hair. Look red. He dyed it? No, it's because he died, man. That joke is so sad, man. He is a fan. He is not man. He is not man. Point at the man. Point at his mans. We will take out his fans. We will take out his clan. Just because I am 11. We will take my brother. Yo, girl, she a 10. I take her out on den. On that dinner. Ooh, on that 8. On that date. Okay. Hey. This is not anything personal. It is just fake. I am dark. Believe me. Hit you. Lead. Hit you. Lead. Glock not saying something else, so we. Hey. Hitting this pack 3 times. Don't play with me. You smack. Get smacked 3 times. You was a fee. You was a fee. She playing with feet. She buying her weed. I buying her weed. Pulling the weed. Don't play with me. Hair saying everything. Don't play with me.